So today we have a full HD camcorder from Samsung. It is the HMX-H203 and it is a 1080i camera, not a 1080p. And let's take a look at some of the features. We have optical zoom, a Snyder lens, B-size seamless sensor, 4.7 megapixel still images, Intel Studio, and a charging method of USB 2.0. And on the side of the box, we have a small chart of recommended PC configuration, and as you can see, it's compatible with Windows XP, Vista, and Windows 7. So let's open it up and see what we got inside. So we have a user manual on the actual CD, Samsung mailing info, contact info, a Samsung buyer's guide, has a bunch of accessories and different camcorders and cameras, and a quick start guide. It's in black and white, and it tells you how to use all your buttons and accessories. We got a component cable to hook up your camcorder to the television, a charging cable for the camcorder, and a USB to mini USB to charge your camcorder off of the computer, and you can also transfer files off of the USB cable. And lastly, we got a lithium-ion battery for the Samsung camcorder. So this camera is surprisingly small. It has a SSD, and as I said, it was full HD 1080i, not 1080p. Has optical zoom and digital zoom, but optical is the way to go. Here's the LCD screen, the record button, menu button, zooming button. Here's some more buttons, power, smart auto, the battery insert, another record button, your DC in to recharge your camera through the wall outlet. We have another zoom button, a button for still photos, and here's the front of the camera. It has a built-in lens, so you have to open it and close it manually through this button. Here's the handle for the camera. It's pretty snug, has a Samsung logo, and hiding just under that is a SDHC slot to expand your memory. You got your stereo speaker on the top of the camera. And lastly, here's the mounting system for the tripod. That's pretty standard. So that was the unboxing of the Samsung HMX-H203 camcorder. And thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more unboxings.